Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to add all items in a list in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you're storing a bunch of numbers in a list, but eventually you would like to add all of those numbers. So I will be showing you how to add all items in a list in Python today. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. I'm just going to type up my list. So my list is X, and now to add all of the numbers in X, what we're going to do is we're going to use NumPy. So just make sure that you've imported NumPy, and we're going to use the function in NumPy that goes like np.add.reduce, and that will add all the items in our list or array. So now if I run this, as you can see, I get an answer here, which is 4, which is exactly what the addition of all these numbers in this list is. So that's basically it. If you wanted to know how to add all items in a list in Python, this is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.